Stand back.
It's okay.
And hands up. Okay?
Hands up.
Be ready. If you're happy with your creation, tap here.
That's funny.
And if you'd like to try taking... Look, your creation is now on my photo.
Nice.
Working our...
You can keep these on.
After you've finished making the letter, tap here.
No, not on the other ones. Press it.
Okay, now to pull it in. Get ready. Keep your hands away from the playmat. Abracadabra! Here's what you made. Do those two letters look
It
the
doesn't
same?
actually look like that. It
If you
looks
want to
like
try it again,
this.
tap. Let's try. 1, 2, 3. Well done. We sound beautiful.
No.
Now to make a board in front of your device.
Oh.
Whoa.
What are you doing to him, Kitty?
Painted in blue. Whoa.
Hey guys, as you can see, my little ones are enjoying their gift from Osmo. They are playing with the Little Genius Starter Kit, and they played on it for about 3 hours actually. It is a great gift for the holidays. It's introducing your child to technology for learning, creativity, fun, as well as STEM. The starter kit provides 4 games of endless fun like ABCs, costume play, squiggle magic, and stories. They also provide other programs for all ages, so be sure to check them out. You can purchase Osmo at Target.com, Amazon, PlayOsmo.com, and more. So be sure to check them out for your little one. Happy holidays!